Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox error code 773. This error can occur in front of the player due to a security problem. In attention, this error code may occur due to the unstable operation of internet. Let's fix it guys. First step is to change the DNS server. To do this, go to search menu and type view network connection. Click on open it guys. Right click the internet you are using it, Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Right click on it and select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties again. In here we are just going to use the Google DNS guys. For that click on this, use the following DNS server address and change this to 8888 alternative DNS 8844. Now for save changes, click on OK and close out of here. The second solution is to clear the internet cache guys. To do this, go to search menu and type cmd. Click run as administrator and select yes. Now in the command prompt window, you just need to copy and paste it guys. I will be given in the description for this command used in my video. Just need to copy and paste one by one. After finishing all commands, you just need to close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. These are second solution guys. Third solution is to disable browser security settings. The reason we do is because having browser security enabled will cause you to allow access to many links guys. Therefore the browser may block any site in the background for the security reasons. To do this, open up browser, select the three dot icon, select settings. On left side select privacy and security. On right side scroll down and select security. On in here you just need to select no protection, select turn off and close out of here. Fourth solution is to download Roblox from Microsoft Store guys. The reason we can eliminate the problem by downloading the Roblox game from the Microsoft Store guys. To do this, go to search menu and type Microsoft Store. Open it. Search for Roblox. Select the get option and install it guys. I hope one of these solution fixed your problem. Let me know in the comment section guys. Thank you.